Good morning, you're here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today doing an Eavestrough cleaning. We'll show you what it looks like. We have a specialty tool that allows us not to have to climb the ladder, which is safe for the guys and just safe for the property and homeowner as well. So we clean the Eavestrough. Cleaning the Eavestrough is important. It takes all the junk and leaves out of the Eavestrough to allow the water to flow. Especially in the wintertime, before the winter you want to get that done because you don't want ice to start backing up under your shingles. That's called ice damming. So you want to keep that smooth and free-flowing. We'll show you how we do it, and we'd love to be able to help you out. Show you how it looks. Thanks. Okay, hello, welcome. You're here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today. It's a two-story house. So again, I just want to show you the advantages of having a machine that allows us not to. It's a little raining, but we got to clean these troughs, raining or not. I'll show you what it looks like. So here you go. We're reaching a two-story home with the power of a shop vac and a well-engineered hose. There you go, we're able to pick up section. Come take a look. So here we go, you can see all the leaves that are collected over the last little bit of a run here. Now remember, this is just in an Eavestrough, it's not in a sidewalk or something. If you're interested in getting your Eavestrough clean, we'd love to help you out. You can find us on legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.